Hi guys, again, this is part 3 of Node.js tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to continue where we left off. I think it was npm. So as we talked about npm is the package manager for JavaScript. npm let us install packages, libraries that we should include in Node.js and use it. And today we are going to install our package.json, which is an npm library that will include uh, our our libraries. Before anything, let's create a file called demo, and we are going to create an text document, save it as a format.js, extension.js, save as app.js. Let's delete this. Okay, open this by the Visual Studio Code. While that opening, we are going to install the npm. And how we gonna install that, I'm gonna show you in a minute. Open cmd cd desktop cd. We are going to get into the file, the folder that we created, demo. Inside the folder, we are going to write this command. This command will install the npm packages for us, the libraries, the JSON package. Write npm init and follow the steps. This will create the npm package JSON. This package name, call it demo. Version, leave the description, it's up to you. app.js, it's the same entry point. Let's keep it that way. Test command, I don't know what the get, we don't know anything about that yet. It's a repository when you deploy it. We don't need that now. Keyword author, let's say tech dev, just for fun. License, keep it blank. Yes, so I think that's it. Now we created the package.json. As you see, this is the folder, the package.json that we created by installing npm init. And now we are ready to write the code. But before we start writing the JavaScript or the Node.js, as I mentioned later, or earlier, sorry, this is not a pure Node.js. We are going to use framework. If you are familiar with the framework, framework is a framework is a bunch of codes that been written by other people. It's already set up. Instead of you going writing hundreds line of codes, the framework will make it easier for you, and you're gonna write half of the 100 lines, if you know what I mean. So framework makes the coding easier. The most popular framework for Node.js is Express. In this tutorial, we are going to use Express. It's a Java Node.js framework, as you may simply express the web application. It is easy, help you. It's already have HTTP verbs, so you don't need to write it on your own. Have great resources, books, docs, anything you want to know about it, you can reference to this website. However, let's get started. We are going to write our first program in Express. First of all, we are going to we are going to install Express. We are going to write npm install Express and save. What this save do is going to install Express and save it in our package.json in the section of dependencies. I'm gonna show you in a minute. It's being installed. Okay, it has been installed. If you see the package.json, if you open it, you can see under the dependencies Express and its version. Now we have installed Express and its modules. Now we are ready to use Express. I think that's it for this video. I don't want to make it too long. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.